guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very requested video. I'm going to be doing my makeup and my boyfriend John is going to do the voiceover to it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys like it and just enjoy.
All right, guys, John here. So today we're going to be doing Kelly's makeup. We're starting with some hydrating milky lotion. So you just need a nice small dollop of that. You know, not too much, but not too little. You're gonna spread that out across your cheeks, eyebrows, your entire face. It's really gonna give you a nice, soothing, milky hydration. Next we have some retinol stuff. You put that underneath your eyelids, and it's a nice golden color. It'll give you those nice highlights, and you put it on the top of your eyes too. Got to make sure to blend it in real nice. We're just getting a base layer here so we can really, you know, get that good look. Have some Fit Me Dewy Smooth, normal to dry. Color 120 Classic Ivory. You can take your nice blender brush and you put a nice dollop on there, not too much, but just the perfect amount, and you spread that bad boy across your face and you start to blend it with the blender brush. Next you have some it looks like a sponge, so you put that all across your face. It's a nice, it's a blending palette. It'll help really even out and give you some highlights. Is it a highlighter? It's a highlighter, I bet. So then you blend that in with your blender brush as well, and now you're really starting to see some of the final product coming to form here. Next you have some highlight and contour. How can you forget about highlight and contour? Can't forget about that. So you blend that across your cheeks and then up on your upper brow as well as on your nose, the side of your cheeks, and I think there's some on the chin. And you blend that in with your blender brush. The blender brush is the #1 used tool here today. We're gonna have to make sure to use that one. And then once you get that nice and blended and you're all highlighted and you're looking good, you got to get some lipstick on there. Oh, that's not lipstick. So you're painting some war marks here. You're getting ready for battle, and you blend that one in too. So once you get that all blended in, you're really starting to get closer to that final. Now Revlon Instafix highlighting stick, more highlights. Okay, we've just got all the highlights here today. You get that a little bit on your cheek just to give you that little bit of a pop, on your upper lip as well, through the eyebrows just to give them a little bit of a pop so that way they look nice and lifted. And of course you blend it with your blender brush. I'm assuming that you wash your blender brush after every piece of makeup, and now you have Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. That's a lot of eyeshadow. I wonder if it's actually made out of pudding. So it looks like we're using rice pudding today. We're gonna put that on the upper eye and then blend it in. Just a nice little dab it, just tap, tap, tap. And then once you get that put in, oh nope, we're still going. We're getting some nice bright colors here, a nice contour. And now Nana pudding, I think is what it said. You're gonna blend that in as well. Ooh, we're combining eyeshadows today. This is getting interesting. You gotta get that all nice and blended in. You're getting a nice little bright pop on the top. Are we going back to rice pudding? Oh no, we're going to bread pudding now. Okay. So it looks like you're gonna get that on the outside of your eye just to kind of blend it. And you blend from the outside in to get that real fade effect on your eyes. It's got a nice brownish color that's going to really give you that fade, so it looks like it's bright on the inside, dark on the outside. And then you blend it all together and it has a nice gradient fade. And now we are making our way through. I didn't catch the name of that one, but it's even darker, so go for the darker one. And I'm assuming we're gonna blend this one as well. You gotta layer it. You gotta put them from the inside out, lightest on the inside, darkest on the outside, and then blend it all together so it's some nice eyeshadow. And you gotta press it, it looks like. with your other end of your brush. Gotta press it in and really blend it. I think this is going quite well. Getting some makeup going. We're using all the colors today. We're using Chia Pudding now. We're gonna use every color in this palette today, ladies and gentlemen. You really gotta blend it in, use the Chia Pudding. It's the real final aesthetic piece that's gonna put it all together in one. And there you go, there's your eyeshadow. The proof is in the pudding. And now we're using some contouring palettes. I don't know the name of these contouring palettes, but it's a nice dark brown and light tan, and we're using the light tan version of it today. I'm sure most everything will be linked in the description below. And you use that under your eyes and on your nose. You'll use that on both sides of your face. And once you have a nice blend, it's really going to give you some highlights and some contours, and it's going to make the cheekbones just pop. You get some on the chin as well as the forehead, and then you use some sort of brush. It's a big bristle. So you give a little tap to brush off some makeup, and now you're adding some real highlights and contours to really make those cheekbones pop. Keep blending it in. The key is blending here. We don't want any splotches or anything of that sort. It's all got to be blended. And you put some on the top as well, just to really make the forehead pop, make that hair look extra good. Then you go back to the tan one, blend it together, give a little pat, poof it off. And then you're using e.l.f. today. I don't think Will Ferrell is going to be featured in this tutorial, but using the e.l.f. palette, you blend them all together at once, and you hit the cheekbones with it just to give them a little bit of a pop. And pro tip for putting on makeup, we're using the Mosaic blush. Always have to use blush. Pro tip when doing makeup, always put on music to give yourself some tunes to jam out so you don't get bored. So you're using a blush brush. Say that 10 times fast. And I'm assuming these are gonna go on the cheeks. That is a big brush. But you gotta get some rosy red blush in there just to make yourself look nice and smiley. Ooh. You gotta make sure that the brush is still soft. If it's not soft, then it's no good. And I'm guessing we're blending it all in here now, making sure that it's all one cohesive makeup palette. And then Bare Minerals, Secret Radiance. Looks like some sort of form of powder, and you use a brush as well. It's a smaller brush this time, so smaller bristles. And then you're going to hit just underneath and to the left of your eyes and to the right for the other eye, just to give those eye bones a little more of a pop. And then you get it on the nose and the upper lip, and it'll really give that nose a glow, a real glow, a nice gold glow. And now it looks like we have some Profusion palettes here. You've got 4 different colors. You got a nice red, white, dark tan, and even darker tan. You get those in the eyebrows just to give the eyebrows a nice lift and raise and pop. You just make sure you get it nice and rubbed in so that way it's very cohesive as a unit. And the eyebrow tweezy thingies that I thought cut off your eyelashes when I first saw them, but then learned that it actually makes them pop. So you tweeze that around your eyebrows and give them a nice lift and a curl. And then I'm assuming that mascara will be coming next. Yes, so we have some voluminous base mascara. So I think this is the white prep stuff that goes on first to give it that extra lift. Give a nice even application of the white preppy stuff. And you do it on the other eye as well, as Kelly pointed out. And then you go to the actual mascara. The Voluminous Original is what we're using here today. I've heard it's a great brand. Many reviews, #1 selling brand at Ulta. And then you put on the mascara very slowly. You give the brush a nice roll as it goes up. And then blend it just a little bit. And at this point, we're really starting to see everything come together. You put it on the bottom lashes as well to make the lashes look on fleek. And then you pop the other side as well, a magic transition. And then it looks like we got lipstick up next, Doll 10 lipstick. Nice red color. Only have to apply it on the top lip, and then you can pop it to the bottom. And voila. Oh, is there something else? Oh, it looks like there's one more thing we have to apply. How can we forget? Lip gloss. You got to make the lips look glossy. You got to apply some nice lip gloss, and if you're extra fancy, there's lip gloss that will make your lips tingly and bigger. And then that is the makeup tutorial. So that is how you get the perfect makeup for date nights, for school days, for anything.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to see any more videos like this, if you have any video requests, let me know. I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and it's just a really fun way to connect. Again, if you're new to my channel and haven't yet already, definitely hit that subscribe button along with the little bell so you can get notified the next time I upload. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!